Hey, good morning or good afternoon, depending on where you are around the world. Wanda DePaulo here, just fired up and grateful for another day to be able to come to share with you all out there. I don't own the rights to the music, so if you hear the music in the background, I don't own the rights to the music, but I just love it because I like energy that pumps me up and gets me inspired. And if you're out there and you're like me, right, we always, not always, but sometimes we get a little depressed, right? Or we just get a little, what do I say? Uh, well, sad. Maybe, oh, not sad, not motivated, right? Sometimes you have to turn on that music, right, to motivate yourself, to get that good energy in you because we are all a vibration, right? Each and every one of us are a vibration and we bounce off each other. It's just like positive and negative energy, right? If you're around somebody negative, you feel that vibe. But if you're around positive people, right, it's a whole different feeling. That's what I love about my community and my business partners that I have on this journey of freedom, right? I call us the Freedom Crusaders. Today, I was on the TNC call for you guys out there that don't know that over the shoulder call that I'm talking about. That was with my dear friends Paul Hutchins, Mike Hobbs, Amy Starr Allen, rock stars in the industry, right? Where we come together, right, every day at 11 o'clock. And they open that up to all the members. So if you're new and you need to figure something technical out, that's the space because Mike is the guru and, he actually goes in there and helps you. And I think that's really big. Not only one that you're working with the founder of the company, but two, that he helps you, but three, the relationships and the connections that we're building is just so powerful, guys. I can't explain it to you, but I can tell you this, that this product, these people have helped me transform into this person that I'm meant to be, right? Today, Paul was talking about pillars, and we talked about that on our morning mastermind call. I don't know if you plugged in, but it was really powerful. He showed us how to do an email, and he was talking, and when he did the email, he put a picture of him with the peace sign, so peace to you out there. But, he had the peace sign and had a picture of his grandparents and his 5 children, or his 4 boys, I'm sorry. And it was so powerful because each and every one of us out there have that spark inside of us because of somebody that's been in our life, that's been a major impact. For myself, it's been my grandfather, Eugene Bettencourt, right? He's the oldest farm in business right now, right? Over 100 years old, still in Rehoboth. My Uncle Paul runs what my grandfather started. And I always remember him working hard every single day to provide for his children. He gave them a piece of land. And I mean, we have a lot of grandchildren. If you know my family, right, the Bettencourts, we have a lot of grandchildren. I love each and every one of them. But they instilled that my grandparents and my Uncle Paul, my Uncle David, they instilled a value in me and in them that it's so powerful. It's about going out there and just doing what you're passionate about. I remember my grandfather on his deathbed when he was in the nursing home. I was doing boats, and who ever think that I was going to be able to have a boat cleaning business and have employees? Never mind, right? But I remember this boat. It was called Godspeed, and I went in there and I brought it to my grandfather, and I was telling him the name of the boat, and and the guy that had the boat, that was his second boat or third boat, whatever he had. I don't remember then, but I know the name of the boat was Godspeed. But it was a boat in a boat, guys, okay? As the thing lifted up and a boat went in the back, and they had these big staterooms, and when you were in one room, the music was on, you didn't hear it in the other room. I mean, it was just absolutely fabulous. And I remember telling my grandfather about that, and he said to me, "You know what, Wanda? Find something you really love and go for it." And I was like, "But this is so much bigger than me, Grandpa. And he's like, time waits for no one, and hope is all we have. And I got to tell you, Hope is something that will help you guys push forward every single day, right? Surround yourself with people that are going to push you to be better, but you're going to want that. We were talking about the product. I was like, I'm not really tech savvy, but the personal development side, because this it's more than the eye can see. Not only do we have a product and service of value that anybody that's in a business needs, capture pages, lead pages, membership sites, our online shopping club. We market to that industry, but the community, Jesus, they meet together in the morning for the mastermind call where we learn and read from Napoleon Hill, and people contribute from all over the world. Then they have this training at 11 o'clock over the shoulder, and then they have a training every Monday night. And if you're a premium member, you can go every Monday night. If you're a funnel builder, right, they do that one time a month. But we have a Telegram, and if you need your question answered, everybody in the community reaches out. Somebody will reach out and help you. And I just find that is just so powerful. Very grateful and fired up. I don't want this video to go too long, but I just want to say thank you to Paul, Amy, Mike, all these other people that are on this call with me and in this business. We are making an impact on the world. It's about making an impact on yourself, guys, first, right? And then you can go out and share from your heart. And every one of you out there have a story. We have pains. We have struggles that made us who we are today. And don't ever let anybody tell you that you're not good enough or you can't do anything, because anything the mind can conceive, you can achieve. And I want to leave you with this. No matter what you've done, or no matter what you haven't done, you're loved and you're worthy. So I love you. As always, do something good for somebody else in a space and knowing they can't repay you. And if you want to learn more now how you can cash in on your passions, make an impact on the world, provide a service, a product or service of value that's needed in the industry, go to the link under my bio, click around, push the buttons, check them out. If you resonated with it, hit the button below, and I'll see you on the other side. Love you, appreciate you. Have a blessed day, guys.